Hey everyone. If your Microsoft Word file is opening in read-only mode in 2026, like you can't edit or save changes, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Word read-only issue step by step. First, open Microsoft Word and look for the Enable Editing button at the top. Word often opens files in protected view for security reasons. Next, right-click the file, go to Properties, and uncheck Read Only. This is one of the most common causes of the issue. Now, check your file permissions. If the document is shared, you may not have editing access. After that, try saving a copy of the file. Sometimes the original file is locked, but the duplicate becomes editable. Next, check Protected View Settings in Word. Adjusting or disabling it can fix repeated read-only problems. Now, if your file is stored in Microsoft OneDrive, make sure syncing is working properly. Sync issues can lock files automatically. After that, unblock the file in Windows Properties if it was downloaded from the internet or email. Windows may restrict editing for safety. Finally, restart Word and reopen the document. This refreshes settings and clears temporary glitches. So yeah, that's how you fix Word file opening in read-only mode in 2026. Follow each step carefully, and you'll be able to edit your files normally again. And if this helped, don't forget to check out more Word tutorials for fast fixes. Hey everyone,